So we have a new ambient light kit from Lytmi. This is the Fantasy 3 ambient light kit for TVs. It is one of the newest models with Syncbox that now supports HDMI 2.1 features like 4K 120Hz, HDR. It is available in different sizes starting from 55 inches and up to 85 inches, and it retails for $200. So in this video, I connected my Xbox Series X. I tested some gaming, movies, and other features this kit offers. And I will tell you at the end of the video if it's worth your money or not. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jolster, and let's do this. Alright guys, so we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Lytmi Fantasy 3 ambient light kit for the back of your TV. Let's open this up real quick. So here we have the user manual. Let's take a look at the HDMI box. This is a new design that I'm looking at. We have the power button right here. I'm thinking this is a switch to different HDMI ports. And then we have all the HDMI ports right here in the back. We have 4 of them. And one of them goes to the TV, and this is for power. And then right here on the side, we have the USB Type-C for the LED light strips. Very simple, very nice, I like it. And then we have here the power connector. Let's put it on the side. Let's open this up real quick. And then we have the HDMI cable. Now remember, one great upgrade about this kit is that it now supports HDMI 2.1. So I'm assuming this cable is going to be HDMI 2.1 compliance. Otherwise, I have plenty of these cables. Then we have here some of the brackets that we're going to use to install the strip light. And then here it is, the master strip light. And that is basically it. Very simple. Let's do installation of the TV. All right, so this is the TV where I'm going to install this Lytmi kit. This is the Hisense U8H 65 inch. As you guys can see, I already have a kit pre-installed right there. This is a previous kit that I reviewed from Gomi, maybe about a year ago. So I'm probably gonna have to remove it because this TV has the perfect spot for the strip light. Finally, I have the kit connected. Look how clean it came out to be. It is very bright. This is something that I like about this Lytmi LED kits. And the installation was super easy. It's only just one cable coming out from this. That's it. And this cable goes to the sync box right here. And I have the Nintendo Switch connected, and this one goes to the TV, and that is the power, and the LED light strip goes right here, and that's it. Super simple. All right, so I have everything connected, and it seems to be working just fine. There is no need for an extra calibration or anything like that. It's just out of the box and it's working properly. Let me go to the application. Let me show you a little bit of the application. Okay, so here's my phone, and here is the app. It's called Lytmi. So let's just click on it, and right away we have options like HDMI 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm using 2 right now, and then right here we can control the brightness of the LED kit, as you guys can see in the background. All the way dark, all the way bright. Then right here we have video, recreation, or game. I am using right now the video format. Let's see what this is, the creation. So this is just the different ways for the light to perform. So this is game is more reaction to the game, but if you want to watch movies, I will go for video. And then degrees of diffusion is also, this is also for a bit of a more aggressive, more impactful, the lightning. And then right here we have music, just in case if you wanted the light to control with music. Or we also have different scenes. I like these different scenes because, for example, this is called rainbow, and just keeps changing to different colors in the background. Look at that, it looks beautiful, right? And then we have fire. We can have like a sort of like a fire background. We have read is just very bright. We have fireworks. We have different options right here in the background that we can choose from, or we can just have like one solid color if you want, and then you can also choose in the color wheel. You can also choose the color that you want this to perform. There you go. It's really nice. It's really easy to handle this, but what I'm mostly intrigued is to see how it performs with video, right? This is one of my favorite videos that I like to use to test ambient light kits. Look at this accuracy. The lighting, it just makes it everything more immersive. I love this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can watch this video here on YouTube and support this channel, because they make such an excellent job making these videos. Oh yeah, we're getting to the part that I love the most. The action with the lighting. Look at this. You guys gotta try it. It's something else. It's beautiful. Oh my god. Here's another video that I used to test this ambient light kit. This is really nice because it's constantly moving colors. They change in different shapes, different angles, and then so you can also see the accuracy of ambient light kits. This is the one test that I recommend if you're using any kind of ambient light kit, to put it on your TV and you can see if it's accurate and how close it is, or maybe it's just not that accurate. Maybe you need some adjustments. But in this case, this kit from Lytmi Fantasy 3, it's so nice that you don't need any kind of calibration or any test or any camera, nothing. It's out of the box. It works, and it works perfectly fine. Let me show you. I have the Xbox Series X connected, and let's go into the settings. I want to make sure that everything is working properly. So let's see, CBN display options, and then I have 4K resolution, and then refresh rate is 120 Hertz. So it is working 120 Hertz. One thing I did notice, let's go to 4K TV details. It supports 4K 120 Hertz, and it just doesn't, well, Dolby Vision is turned off. It also supports 10-bit, 24 Hertz. So pretty much HDR10. So pretty much everything except for it doesn't support auto low latency mode. So this is auto game mode. You're going to have to switch to game mode manually. That is the only thing. All right, so here is Dead Island, and I mean the game looks absolutely gorgeous, but and also you can see how it changes, the background changes depending on the what's displaying on the screen, which is what we're looking for. Right now this whole area is very bright, so I'm gonna see if I can get into some action here with the not the aliens, the zombies. But I don't see much of a difference right now because everything is just too bright. Once you go into some darker areas, then that's where you start noticing the difference, you know. So right here, yes, that's where you start noticing that difference with the ambient kit. This is great for this type of games, like a single player games. This is great because you don't need to, you get a little bit distracted with this ambient light. So if you're planning on playing games like multiplayer, it might get a little bit distracted, but for single player games like this runs perfect. Let me try another game. All right guys, so here's a little bit of Cyberpunk 2077. Look at this. Oh my God, this game keeps looking more gorgeous every time I play it. But with this ambient light, yes, this is a little bit more immersive. I like that. And also what I noticed is that the light is very responsive. That is one thing I like about this type of sync boxes, that especially from Lytmi, that the ambient light performance is super responsive. 99% is accurate. For the most part, you wouldn't even notice whatever anomalies there are, but man, it looks nice. One more thing I wanted to mention is that this kit also works with Netflix, and it works with HBO Max as well. So if you like to watch your favorite Netflix show or maybe your favorite movie, I don't want to show you too much of this because copyright, but I'm telling you that it works. Let's go to HBO Max. Now here's some clips from Harry Potter movies, and I think they're nuts. It's absolutely gorgeous with this ambient light kit. Alright guys, so in conclusion, I love this ambient light kit from Lytmi. This is the Fantasy 3. I'm going to leave links in the description of the video if you guys are interested in buying one. But since I have reviewed this Lytmi kits from the beginning, I have no regrets. They all work perfectly fine, just as described. And I feel like every time Lytmi comes out with a new ambient light kit, they improve a lot, like a lot. In this case, they improve the accuracy, and also they make it so much simpler to just install the light strip, connect it to the switch box, and you're ready to go. You don't need to calibrate anything. If you already have the app from previous kits, it'll detect this new kit right away. The only negative I see right now is that you need to be connected to Wi-Fi 2.4. It doesn't work with 5G or in your router. If you have 2.4, that's fine. But that is the only negative I've seen so far. It doesn't really affect me that much. Only need to make sure that your Wi-Fi, it supports 2.4, which is usually everyone should be supported by that. There is no 5G support. That is the only negative I've seen so far. Other than that, this kit is an absolutely go. I will highly recommend you to buy it if you want to connect your Xbox, your PlayStation 5, your Nintendo Switch. Everything works. Everything works. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'm Joester, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Joester out.